a problem with the chimney, and other masonry related problems. The base of the chimney had literally fallen apart and was very unstable at the rear of the building. On closer inspection, I could see what had caused the damage. A mild steel lintel had severely corroded, forcing the brickwork apart and leaving this chimney a potential for collapse. The chimney was built around an incinerator for trash and patented in the 1914. I found an old advertisement for the generator online from the early 1900s. Scaffolding was erected so we could dismantle the chimney safely. The chimney itself was set very high. Bricks were removed individually using an air chisel to reduce vibration throughout the chimney. Bricks were cleaned of mortar and palleted for use later. The chimney was safely dismantled and bricks stored away. A closer inspection showed how the incinerator was constructed. Infestation had affected the inner sheathing, and a wall tie was partially secured by a nail. On this property, a lot of wall ties were corroded. Specialised Masonry Restoration re-bricked the masonry veneer using the matching bricks from the chimney. Matching mortar was applied and the roof work was repaired and painted to match the existing. Here is a good view of the finished repair to the chimney and matching mortar and brickwork to the rear of the building. This column of brickwork had started to slip out and was dangerous to passers-by. SMR carefully removed the brickwork and installed new wall ties. Using the original bricks to match existing, cracks and bad mortar were grinding out in the areas around the column area. This picture shows the finished colour and matched mortar that we were able to achieve. Some of the window frames had dropped, causing the bricks and the sills to be pushed out of place. SMR removed and rebuilt the damaged brick sills. The arches had moved due to foundation movement. These were repaired using specialised anchors and repointing and replacing the damaged bricks.
Good morning, my name's Alan Pettingill from Specialised Masonry Restoration. Many times since I've been in America, people have said to me about arches. Arches can fail in a lot of different ways, usually by movement or constructed improperly. One of the things we was called in on this historic house was to repoint the arches. But having repointed them, we still feel that there's a bit more need for a bit of structural integrity on the actual arch. Here we have a Simpson heli tie. This tie itself is actually 11 inches long by 3/8. The main anchor body is a stainless steel body all the way through with a twisted helical tie on the outside that is used as an actual friction fixed tie. We're going to install these in the arch by drilling a small pilot hole. First of all, this is the angle that we'll drill, trying to actually incorporate 3 bricks into place. The pilot hole is first drilled, nice and smooth, drilled out with a new drill bit, not an old drill bit, and you can actually see where the tie will be embedded from the outside, highlighted in red. As you can see, we've drilled the pilot holes. No need to blow them out because it is a friction fix. Should this be an epoxy fix, then we recommend that the pilot holes be blown out. We've now installed the actual driving tool to drive the tie. What we're going to do now is start up the generator so that we can drive this tie in and show you over the top. Get the tie into the hole. Make sure you hold and grip the tie in a straight direction of the hole. Put it on hammer action.